So my candidates, my simultaneous equations are two or more equations that share the same variables, usually x and y, and we solve them together to find values that work for equations. Is the truth Dzidza both anwanzoya paper 1 and paper 2 redu, and are used in real life scenarios like business and engineering, and we're going to build complex problem solving skills. So panopera video ranhasi tofanira kuita kukwanisa kusolve my simultaneous equations tichishandisa elimination and substitution method and avoid my common mistakes nekutrya my ZIMSEC past exam papers to boost our confidence. So guys, let's begin. So a variable is an unknown number that we usually represent using my letters x, y, or z, and our goal is to find the value of the variable. Now let's look at what makes equations simultaneous. And equations are simultaneous when they share unknown variables, and our goal is to find my pairs that fit both equations. For simultaneous equations, we need two type. We have two linear where both my equations are straight lines, and the second one is where one is linear and the other one is quadratic. So tine two main methods to solve my simultaneous equations, and yekutanga inonze elimination. This is where you add or subtract your equations and you eliminate one variable, solve the other and substitute back. The second one is substitution, where you have to make one variable the subject, substituting the other equation and use that answer to find the other variable. So for example 1, ngatangene elimination. We are given two equations, 2x plus y is equals to 10, and the second one x minus y is equals to 2, and we have to find the values of x and y. So chekutanga tinotarisa kuti on any of our variables can they cancel out, and find out kuti y cancel out because plus y minus y is equals to 0. So we can add these two equations. Adding equation 1 and 2 will result in 2x plus x is equals to 3x plus y minus y is equals to 0. 10 plus 2 is 12. To divide both sides of our equation at 3 and find the value of x is equals to 4. Now that we have a value of x, we can either replace it in equation 1 or 2, but equation 2 because that will be much more simpler, and it will be transformed to 4 minus y is equals to 2. We subtract 4 from both sides, resulting in minus y is equals to minus 2. Divide both sides by the negative 1 and we get y is equals to 2. So now find our answer x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. And if we were to replace these answers on any of equation 1 or 2, we'll get the same answer as on the right hand side as to the left hand side of our equations. And this is actually a trick on construction. Some exams will not answer correctly. Now let's look at example 2 using the substitution method. We are given our equation 1, y is equals to 2x minus 1. Equation 2, 3x plus 2y is equals to 16. So we can see that equation 1, y is already the subject. So zvachata ndezvekuti tichati pese pana y mu equation 2 we are going to replace with equation 1, giving 3x plus 2 open bracket 2x minus 1 is equals to 16. We are going to have to expand and simplify this, giving 3x plus 4x minus 2 is equals to 16. I'm very sorry for the animation cutoff, but if we simplify that, we get the value of x is equals to 18 over 7. Using the value of x, we can now find y using equation 1, and y is equals to 2 open bracket 18 over 7 minus 1, which simplifies to y is equals to 29 over 7. So our solution is come out as x is equals to 18 over 7 and y is equals to 29 over 7. Tika replace answer either in either equation 1 or 2, the left hand side actually equates to the right hand side. Now let's look at example 3. We are given y is equals to x plus 1 and equation 2, x squared plus y squared is equals to 25. So we are going to substitute the value of y in equation 2 with that of equation 1, giving x squared plus open bracket x plus 1 squared is equals to 25. We are going to expand our x plus 1 squared and try to simplify our equation. If we simplify that, we'll get x squared plus x minus 12. Now the next step will be to factorize our expression, and we'll get x squared plus x minus 12 can also be written as x plus 4 x minus 3 is equals to 0. Takuikweta mafactors edu to 0 and we get x is equals to minus 4 or x is equals to 3. Now for each corresponding value of x, we have to find the corresponding value of y, and we'll start when x is equals to minus 4, we'll get y is equals to minus 3, and when x is equals to 3, we'll get y is equals to 4. Now my answer edu nyore showing this correspondence in the form of xy is equals to minus 4 minus 3 and xy is equals to 3 and 4. For the following section, I would like you to pause the video and try out the practice questions, and we'll review the answers shortly. Here are mistakes you need to try to avoid in exams. Sign errors when adding or subtracting. The second one, forgetting to multiply all terms. And lastly, you can always substitute your answers per my equations to verify kuti left hand side ne right hand side zvakafanana. So guys, this video note over what simultaneous equations are, solving simultaneous using elimination and substitution, solving linear quadratic systems, my common mistakes, and lastly I'm going to drop some ZIMSEC exam tips for success. This video is accompanied by another video with questions on simultaneous equations, so please check that out, and all the best.